God, are you okay?
All right, guys. So today we're gonna be trying some tricks out on a swing with 2 boards, and yeah, we're starting a trick challenge. So if you got an idea for a trick, go to our Discord, link in description, and you can post your tricks. All right, so we're gonna set a new challenge: best board and best tricks.
2 different series.
Two different things. So if you can't do tricks, post your board. Any like skimboards, skateboards, scooters, you name it, like anything. Just make sure it looks awesome. And if you're not doing tricks, then maybe look at posting your board pics. If you think you got a cool looking board, post your board. It could be skateboard, scooters, anything. Just make sure it looks nice and post it, and you might win. So today we're gonna be trying to use that swing and swing on the board while Jude's holding the sensor down. Stay tuned to the end to where we hit it, if we do. Oh, closer. You ready?
Yeah.
Did it!
No
Third try.
way.
That was awesome, good stuff.
Good job, bro.
I can do that.
All right, G. Ride it out. Good job, baby.
All right, guys, we hit that, so let's level it up.
What were you gonna do?
Let's do one with a varial.
You're gonna do a varial?
Switch.
All right.
So basically what I'm trying to do is I land this way normally with my left foot forward. So I'm gonna try and do it with my right foot forward. Just cause. You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
I need to keep like reminding myself to do it. All right. Hold up. All right, I'm doing it.
Oh,
You gotta hold it, big dog.
I didn't even know.
That's it, baby.
Does that count?
I didn't know you were going.
I almost crushed his finger, you saw that? Does that count? Leave it down in the comments. Going in the next one. There it is, got
That
it.
counts.
Woo!
Count it, baby.
Woo! Let's go.
That counts. Uh-oh, my board's yellow.
It's yellow?
It's like freaking out. It's like, no.
We wasn't supposed to hit it. Hey, so I'm gonna try and do a hippie over a swing. You ready for this? Just a regular one.
Can you jump through it without an issue?
I think I did.
Okay, just
I don't
making
know
sure.
what hit.
Something hit. Something hit the chains. What hit the chains?
My foot.
All right, here we go.
That board hit this board.
Yeah, I know.
So how you gonna do it?
I just gotta.
Can you jump off the board ahead of time? Huh?
I don't know what you mean by that.
Like, so the board, your other GT stops way before.
That ain't gonna happen. It's just I just gotta do it. The other dude hit the board.
Okay.
Oh shoot. That was my hand. That hit it.
What is that? You want to have it out a little bit more, Noah? Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
Noah, Jude, are you okay?
Yeah. You got caught.
Noah, your mic went somewhere, bro.
Huh?
Your mic shot somewhere.
No what?
Mic is gone. What he does? You want to try without it, just to see where you land?
That's what I'm doing. Oh, without the board?
No, like, just jump.
No, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. All right, here we go. You had it.
If I would have been holding that,
You had it, bro.
if I would have been holding that though.
Dude, what if you caught this board? Is that possible?
What if his hand goes in the tire? Oh, I think you're doing good. You're steering it away from the other board.
That's what I tried to do.
Okay, that's go with it. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is. There it is. Yes! Oh my. Bruh.
Yes!
Bruh. I don't even know what to say. That was crazy, bro.
That was awesome.
What are you calling that? What is that? And that's what I call.
All right, well, let's just land the hippie now.
Okay.
Speed. This one's a lot faster to set up.
Yeah. Dude, please, like, don't break. Just focus, man. I need is my kid in the hospital with a broken arm. All right. Is your trick setting on or you jumping? Now see if you hit that and land on your head. Go with it. This trick is super hard, bro. Is that a higher pole than your, can we bring it down or? No. Hey, we'll leave some on the table, bro. Unless you want to try it. All right, that's a really hard one, bro. Okay.
Oh! I'm barely turning about so long.
Remind me to tighten your axles. I think your axle's loose a little bit. All right. Wait, the mic's somewhere.
Give me your mic, you don't even.
My mic makes it. You don't even know it. My reactions make it.
You don't even need a mic.
I got that on video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. So we hit a couple really cool tricks. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and yeah, go try and hit the tricks. Make sure you hit your tricks and post them into the trick submission in Discord. Link in description. Peace.
Hold the board until he almost smashes your finger and then let it go.
I almost crushed his finger. You saw that? That count? Leave it down in the comments.
It's like, no! No!
We wasn't supposed to hit it. There it is. Got
That
it.
counts. Woo! Count it back. Uh-oh, my board's yellow. Oh my God, are you okay? No, Jude, are you okay? Go with it. You alright? Okay, this is. There it is! Yes! Oh my. I don't even know what to say.
All right, so we're gonna set a new challenge: best board and best tricks.
Two different series.
Two different things. So if you can't do tricks, post your board. Any like skimboards, skateboards, scooters, you name it, like anything. Just make sure it looks awesome.